This dictation material has been obtained from official para 49. Every criminal prisoner shall also, as soon as possible after admission, be examined under the journal or special orders of the medical officer, who shall enter or cause to be entered in a book to be kept by the jailer a record of the state of the prisoner's health and of any wounds or marks on his person, the class of labor he is fit for if sentenced to rigorous imprisonment, and any observations which the medical officer thinks fit to add full stop. In the case of female prisoners, the search and examination shall be carried out by the matron under the journal or special orders of the medical officer. Full stop. All money or other articles in respect whereof no order of the competent court has been made, and which may with proper authority be brought into the prison by any criminal prisoner or sent to the prison for his use, shall be placed in the custody of the jailer. Full stop. All prisoners previously to being removed to any other person shall be examined by the medical officer. Full stop. No prisoner shall be removed from one prison to another unless the medical officer certifies that the prisoner is free from any illness rendering him unfit for removal. Full stop. No prisoner shall be discharged against his will from prison if laboring under any acute or dangerous distemper, nor until, in the opinion of the medical officer, such discharge in safe, full stop, unseen. Prime Minister has said that his government is removing hurdles in the way of the hydropower project being built in Kagan under the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor project. Full stop. He said the project would not only meet energy needs of the country but would also generate employment and other opportunities for the people of the region. Full stop. We will ensure that the people affected by the hydropower project get appropriate price for their land acquired for this mega energy project, and all records reached between representatives of the federal government and the people will be honored in letter and spirit, the Prime Minister said while speaking at a meeting held at the School of Excellence established by the Welfare Trust on Saturday. Full stop. This para has been dictated by Kamran, working as PA in Civil Secretariat, Lahore.